As a student, you have lots of work to do but very little time to do it. You have lots of assignments, tests, projects and many other things. In addition to the time you spend in school, every day you also have coaching classes to attend. So it is a struggle to balance all these activities, right? Many a time you may feel 24 hours is not enough. The solution lies in managing your time efficiently. Efficient time management not only helps you handle your studies better, but also helps you to excel in it. Every day we are occupied with many tasks. Prioritizing each task and understanding which task is important and which one is least important is crucial to our success. Today, we are going to see a time management system created by Eisenhower, a former president of United States. He devised a system for managing his time and deciding his priorities. This is known as the Eisenhower Time Management Method, and today I will teach you how we can use this to excel in our studies. My name is Arvind and I am here to help you learn faster. If you are interested in learning and improve your memory power, then consider subscribing this channel and click the bell notification. When we take an account of tasks or activities we perform each day, we see that they can be broadly classified into 4 categories depending on the urgency and importance of each individual task. Those tasks which are urgent and important fall in the first category. Let us give red color to this category. Tasks which are not urgent but important come under the second category. We will now give this category green color. The third category contains those tasks which are urgent but not important. Let us color this category orange. The fourth category is of those tasks which are neither urgent nor important, that is, not urgent and not important tasks. Black is the color of this category. Now that you have categorized your everyday tasks into 4 types, how much importance you give to each of these categories and how much time you spend on each of them determines your success. Look at the first box which is colored red. The tasks under this category are urgent and important. These are the kinds of tasks that cannot be postponed but done immediately. The problem you may face here is that the task is important but the time is short. So you are required to execute these tasks with a sense of urgency. This may give rise to mental pressure and lots of stress. Let us take the following scenario as an example. Suppose tomorrow is the last date for submission of an assignment. The assignment is 100 pages long, but you have finished only 60 pages. You are required to complete the remaining 40 pages within a short time. You are anxious. You rush into it and complete the assignment in a hurry. You feel you have not done a proper job. You are in a dangerous situation. Red means danger, and that is the reason I have chosen red color for this category. Take care to limit the number of tasks you put in this zone and try moving this to green zone. We will see how we can do it. The next box is green in color. This box contains tasks which are not urgent but important. This is the zone in which you should spend most of your time. The more time you spend here, the more successful you are at managing your time effectively. Do you want to know how? Well, as these tasks are not urgent, you have lots of time in your hands and you can efficiently execute these tasks without any stress. When you spend more time in this zone, your time in the danger zone reduces considerably. Let us take the previous example. You are given a 100 pages assignment and the deadline is a week ahead. You mark this task in the green box of not urgent but important tasks. You are not in a hurry since you have a week's time to finish. You work on this steadily and finish this task on time without any anxiety. By doing this, you have successfully prevented this task from entering the red zone as it never became urgent and important task. Therefore, you make sure to spend more time in this zone. The number of tasks in the red zone automatically gets reduced. So spend more time in this zone. The third box is orange in color and it contains tasks which are urgent but not important. These are tasks that might require your immediate attention but are not important. You can delegate the task to someone or try to move this to the fourth category which is the black box. For instance, imagine that your exams are nearing and you are earnestly preparing for your exams. You are interrupted by a phone call from a friend, or there is a relative visiting your house. Spending time with your relative or attending your friend's call may be urgent, but they are not in your priority list. So try avoiding them. Politely tell your relative or friend that you are busy and preparing for the exams and apologize for not able to spend time with them. Do not let others decide your priority and make sure that you don't spend more time in this zone. Finally, the fourth box is a black colored box and it contains not urgent and not important activities. Most activities in this category provide no real value. They are mostly of waste of time. Many of the students spend all their time in this zone and later complain that they don't have enough time. What are these activities that fall in this category? Watching TV, spending hours together on social media, playing video games, and all such things which don't move you closer to your goal. Make sure that you spend very little or no time in such activities. Now let us see how we can effectively put this 4-color system to use. Start by making a to-do list, a list of the activities that you are expected to do for the day. Take out your everyday planner. Draw 4 colored boxes: red, green, orange and black. From the to-do list, segregate the task and put them in their respective boxes according to their urgency and importance. Start off with the task in the red box, and once the task is finished, check it off. Then move on to the green box of important and not urgent activities. Make sure that you spend most of your time here. Take note of the time you spend on the tasks in the orange and black boxes. This will help you realize how much time you waste each day so that you can eliminate such activities or spend very less time on them. Repeat the same procedure each day with a new planner. When you follow this routine on a daily basis, I guarantee that you will be able to finish your daily activities effortlessly and efficiently. If you think this video is helpful, then comment, like, share with your friends and consider subscribing this channel. See you soon on my next video.